Welcome to This Yourself with Dami. Thank you so much for stopping by. I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that subscribe button. It is free. Thank you so much. So today we are going to be making Fascinator from carton, empty carton. So these are the materials we need. Check the description box below to see the list of all the materials we are making use of today. So the first thing that I did was to cut on my carton. So for the main fascinator, the one that will be outside, so I'm using a thick carton, and for the inner parts I'm using a calendar. So this is the shape, the size that I'm using, 11.5 inches. So I use that plate to get the circle circumference that I'm working with. So I want to show you how I got that. So what I did was to find the middle parts of 11.5 inches, which is 5.25 inches. So I just drew a straight line down, and at the end parts I measure half inch on both sides. Then I connect the lines to the point on top. Just connect the lines like that to the point on top. So I just went ahead and cut that marked part out. Just cut it like that. So that is how to get that. You see the reason for this now. So just go ahead and fold it that way. Yes, to get that sort of cone shape. Like, just apply frosty gum and gum it like that. Just gum it. So I want it to be more secure, so I use my stapler to staple it together. Just to be more secure, I just staple it like that. So I repeat the same thing on the main carton. This is the one that will be outside. This is the one that you'll be seeing, this particular thick carton, while the other one will be inside. Just apply the gum, then repeat the same process to this one. My stapler to staple it together to make it secure. So that's that. So the next thing we're going to do is to be placing our fabric on the prepared carton. So I'm going to be working on the main fascinator first, on the outer part. So I just apply my gum like that to the inner part. Yes, apply it like that to the inner part of the main fascinator. So I just first of all put my lining, because the fabric I'm using is transparent. It's sequence material, is transparent, so I will need lining. If you are using a thick material like Ankara, you may not need to put lining, but because my own fabric, the materials I'm using is transparent, that's why I need lining for it. So just repeat the same thing I did to the lining to the main fabric. So at this point I noticed that the carton I use has this blue color, but at the end I really love the blue color on it. It gives a kind of design to it. So just work your way around like that, and we're going to be repeating the same process to the other side. So we're going to be working on the outer part the inner part of the fascinator now. So instead of placing the fabric on the outer part the way we did to the main fascinator, we are going to be placing it inside. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand what I'm saying. So the lining will be inside like that. Yes, so the lining, you place the lining inside, then you gum into the outer part. Just work your way round like that. Work your way round. So simple to make. So simple. So simple. So if you have some leftover fabric at home, you can just go ahead and make this kind of fascinator. At this point, if you notice you need some adjustments, adjust it. Make some adjustments. So we are going to be putting the two together using our epoxy gum. Just put it together like that. So you just apply the gum generously, making sure the tip has enough gum. Apply the gum very well to the tip so that it will be able to hold the inner part together with it. Apply it generously, apply it to inside. Just work your way around all the inside part. So just place it like that. Just use your hand to adjust it and gum it together. Yes, our fascinator is almost ready. Yes, so we are going to be using Alice band. That thing is called Alice band. That black is called Alice band, and we're going to be using some decorations just to design the fascinator. You can use any design of your choice. Anything you have at home, you can use stones, you can use pearls, any one you have. And if you don't have Alice band, if you have comb, you can use comb too. So just design the fascinator the way you want it, and if you don't want any design on it, you are free to leave it like that and just attach your Alice band or comb. Then you are good to go. So I'm just going to design it with this flower and all these pearls. I just put my pearls. Just arrange my pearls on it. I just place my pearls on the fascinator randomly. So the next thing I did was to attach my Alice band to the fascinator. At first I used gum, but later I realized that the gum was not holding it properly. So I used thread and needle to tack it. So if you are using Alice band, I would advise that you use thread and needle to tack it so that it will stay properly. I'm done attaching the Alice band. I'm going to be testing it on the dummy head. I so much love the outcome of this fascinator. It looks so beautiful. So cute. So much love it. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much, and see you in my next class.